Also took all night. Arizona lawmakers, though, were able to pass a bipartisan budget. Funding for protecting water sources, infrastructure, and education all included in the $18 billion budget.
Team 12's Colleen Sikora is looking at how the new education money is going to affect schools in Arizona.
Education advocates say this $1 billion in K-12 funding is a help for public schools and something that will touch every student in Arizona.
After 30 years in education, 10 as superintendent of Stanfield Elementary School District.
This is historic.
Dr. Melissa Sadorf grateful for new K-12 education funding coming to Arizona school districts.
There is not a student that's not going to benefit from what they've done.
Included in the bipartisan effort is $526 million in new base level K-12 education funding, increasing that base level funding $346 per pupil, in addition to other increases.
It allows for flexibility in terms of how we are going to use these new dollars. My district has needs in our primary grade levels. Full day kindergarten is a target for our community.
While the K-12 budget grew, school districts may not be able to spend it if the aggregate expenditure limit stays in effect. It's a constitutional cap in Arizona that limits how much money schools can spend.
It needs to be revised or completely taken away.
Lawmakers had to lift it this year and will have to next year as well if it's not addressed before then. Marisol Garcia is the president-elect of the Arizona Education Association.
We're also going to continue to put pressure on anyone that we can to try to get rid of that arbitrary number that was created almost 40 years ago, over 40 years ago.
Still, a private school voucher expansion has been passed by the House and could pass the Senate. Public education advocates Save Our Schools Arizona organized the referendum that shot down a similar expansion in 2018. They said in a statement they, quote, will not rest until we defeat the unaccountable voucher grift working to dismantle our public schools, end quote. Colleen Sikora, 12 News.